Hello everyone, this is my nearly 4 months rosemary oil update. I set up a 3 months challenge to use rosemary oil. So I've had a few ways I've kind of incorporated this product into my hair. I've been mixing it with my deep treatment. Since I'm going to do my deep treatment anyway, I might as well add it to it. I've been doing that. I've been using it to oil my scalp. Lately, I've also been using it to seal in my moisture. I've noticed this is locking in so much moisture. I'm not needing to moisturize my hair that often. So that is another way I've been using it. I've been loving it. I put it to the test. The most thing I think I was worried about was this breaking me out. Castor oil, the only reason I'm not able to kind of use it and let you guys know if it actually works, and it's not something I've not used. I've used it, but I didn't use it. I've not used it long enough to tell whether it actually works or not, because at the minute it makes its way up to my skin, my face, it breaks me out. Excuse my hand, it's very dry. I was meant to pick up a hand cream. But but this, it hasn't broke me out. As you can see, I purposely did not have any makeup on this morning because I thought this would be a good proof of it. Nearly 4 months, I just tidied up my brow. I did not have any foundation on, and even now I have problem with acne. So having a foundation on really is just to smooth out my complexion, and I'm not relying heavily on foundation. Thank goodness for that. But all in all, I just don't want to add product to my hair that are gonna make my acne issue worse. So 3 months on, nearly 4 months, it's still going strong. I just have about that much of product left now. I will be ordering another one. So yes, this is a staple. This will be a staple in my hair journey. I love it. My hair, I'm seeing a lot of less hair fall. Absolutely. My wash day is a breeze since I incorporated this. Detangling, no issue at all. I love it. I just love it. If you haven't grabbed one of these, just go get yourself one. I ordered this on eBay. I will link the link below for you guys so you can go grab yours. What can possibly you gonna. Another thing I wanted to add is my colleague have been using rosemary oil as well, but they put it on. You don't have to go really crazy with it. You can just little bit in your fingertips, massage it under their scalp and the hair, whack in the bun and wash their hair at the end of the day. That they said they are seeing result on that. Me on the other hand, when I moisturize my hair with it, moisturize my hair, they seal it with rosemary oil, and when I oil my scalp with it, or when I add it to my conditioner, in every form I'll be using this, I don't wash it off until my wash day, which is once a week. I'm pushing for once every 2 weeks. So no, I haven't been washing my out like people that haven't got my hair type, what they would do. For instance, I haven't been washing mine off. I just leave it on until my hair is due to be washed. So far so good. I'm loving it. I love that. It's just make my hair so strong, so moisturized. Just overall, less hair fall, one not to love. Go grab yourself one. So yeah, this is my nearly 4 months rosemary oil update. I hope you're all doing really well. I will talk to you guys on the next one.
betrayed your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart. How you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are. You butterfly, you're a butterfly. Butterfly, wings spread, just let it fly. Butterfly.